Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili bean sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of dried chilies, 50 grams of fermented broad beans, and fresh ginger. Don't forget your cooking oil, Sichuan peppercorns, and a selection of aromatic spices. Using fresh, high-quality components is crucial for achieving that deep, authentic flavor we're aiming for in our homemade sauce. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Begin by rehydrating your dried chilies in warm water for about 30 minutes, then carefully remove the seeds. Next, finely chop your fermented broad beans, fresh ginger, and garlic. These aromatics are key to the sauce's depth. Finally, blend the rehydrated chilies with a small amount of water until you achieve a coarse, rustic paste. This forms the base of our delicious sauce. It's time to cook. Heat about 100 milliliters of cooking oil in a wok over medium heat. Add your Sichuan peppercorns and cook until they are fragrant, then remove them. Next, sauté the chopped fermented broad beans, ginger, and garlic until they turn golden. Stir in your chili paste and simmer the mixture for approximately 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the oil separates and the flavors meld beautifully. Once your chili bean sauce has cooled completely, transfer it to an airtight jar and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 3 weeks. This versatile sauce is perfect for enhancing stir-fries, adding depth to noodle dishes, or simply using as a spicy condiment. For more great deals, and to check out the Oala water bottle, remember to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.